Okay, got cut off there. We'll try this again. So we're at the end. We're going to reverse, swing around with our foot up, drop the foot, or keep the foot up, bring the needle up, get it in our position, drop our foot down, bring our needle down, start sewing again. Down that side. Reverse. One more. There we go. Lift our needle up with our, or lift the foot up with our needle down, drop that. We're at the very end, so we're just going to double that one up, go a little bit past it, bring our needle up, bring our foot out. I have an automatic cutter on the side of this machine, so I don't have to use a scissors. I'll just bring that around, cut my thread. I've got 2 pieces of thread hanging off of here, one from my bobbin and one from my top stitch. I'll go ahead and snip those off of there. Then I'll go ahead and take my lighter, just kind of clean those ends up there, make sure we're not getting any frays or anything, and there we have our Molle. So let's look at our Molle placement now. Here we have another piece of multicam. Hopefully you guys can see this. Never enough room in the shop, guys. Okay. So, alright, not used to looking through the viewfinder here, folks. For a Molle, what you want to do is place your Molle. Get out of there. There we go. And then between your strips of Molle, you want to have 1 inch. So I got one going there. I want 1 inch spacing between there. Again, I'm trying to get this where you guys can see it. There we go. So I got a strip going here at the top, 1 inch in between, and then what you want to do once you get these pinned on either side is just go ahead and measure for your stitching going up and down 1.5 inches. Those would be your loops. So we'll go ahead and place that one there. That's where one of your stitchings are going to go. So we'll go ahead and just demonstrate here. We'll actually go ahead and sew this on the end here. I'm going to change my stitching because I want a stronger stitch for this with a little bit less stitch length. This is going to be load bearing, so I want a good stitch on it. You notice that the machine is going back and forth now, so it's actually double stitching it. Double loop stitch, whatever they call it. And I'll reverse stitch that. And we can't see our mark anymore because the chalk rubbed off, so we'll measure another 1.5 inches, and then, whoops, safety feature of the machine won't let you start sewing unless the foot's down. And mark that off. It's awful hard to see. And then we'll just line that up to the edge, bring our needle down. We don't like that position. There we go. At the end, do a reverse stitch, go forward a couple times and bring the needle up, raise your foot up, use the automatic cutter. There's your first loop for your Molle. Remember, guys, when you do your next row, 1 inch from there, and that's how you sew Molle. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Leave your comments, feedback, subscribe, do what you gotta do. Talk to you later.